Hello everyone! Here's another challenge video for you. So you'll see what's behind us. It's a FamilyMart.
Wait a minute. What are we doing in front of a FamilyMart? Did you know that as of July 2021, there are 11,985 convenience stores in Taiwan? The latest estimates show that there is roughly one convenience store per 2,300 citizens. This is one of the highest density of convenience stores in the world. Most of these stores operate under four brand names: 7-Eleven, FamilyMart, High Life, and OK Mart. Since the last tabulation, 7-Eleven is the biggest convenience store chain in Taiwan with about 6,432 outlets. Its closest competitor is FamilyMart with 4,000 outlets across the country. The Taiwanese High Life and Canadian OK Mart convenience stores also have presence in Taiwan. The convenience store's appeal has always been to make Taiwanese life easier and more convenient. The initial appeal was the convenience of location by opening more stores. Later, the focus on convenience was shifted to convenient products and services. Retailers dedicated their efforts to developing own brand products and services such as ready-to-eat meals, rice balls, sandwiches, and microwavable bentos. 7-Eleven and FamilyMart go so far as to collaborate with renowned hotels and restaurants around the world to curate bentos which are sold in the store. Convenient services includes providing customers with a convenient channel to pay bills with ATMs, reload value into your public transport card, buy SIM cards, train, and even concert tickets. In this vlog, we are on a mission to try create a 3-course meal for each other in a convenience store. Let's check it out now. So today's challenge is that we are going to go into a convenience store and create a 3-course meal plus 1 drink for each other.
And we will be having 3 rules in total. Rule number 1, no instant noodles. Rule number 2, we will have a maximum of 15 minutes each to choose our items.
And rule number 3 is that each of us will have 300 NTD budget, and 300 NTD is equals to 15 Sing dollars. So at the end of it all, we are going to rate each other's selection and choices and how suited is it to our taste buds.
How curated it is to the other person's taste.
Correct. So on a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being the best and 1 being the worst.
Yep.
No 0.
Okay, let's start. Let's go! Okay, decided. So I'm now at the main course food section. I think I found all the things that I want to buy for Jelly. It's definitely within 300 NTD budget.
Give me a minute. I told you I was chatting different, can't you see I'm winning?
I'm gonna choose a main first.
Boy, I'm in the end, it's just beginning, yo. Give me a minute. I told you I was chatting different, can't you see I'm winning? Come on, get with it. Fly British boy, I'm in the end, it's just beginning.
My appetizer for Jelly is
What's this?
茶叶蛋.
Is oh my appetizer is chili lu rui.
Okay, so I think we have the same idea for appetizer.
No, mine is definitely look nicer. Hello.
But mine is 茶叶蛋 for you eh.
Yeah, but mine got variety.
Okay, don't compete. Okay, main course next.
Appetizers for one another. Main course. My main course is here. Wow, hot.
Okay, I see
This
it's fried
is
rice.
my main course decision. So it's actually
Okay.
香肠、香辣、黄金蛋炒饭. Because I know he likes Taiwanese sausage, but he tries not to eat it because it's unhealthy.
The main course for Jelly is sweet potato chicken breast salad.
Sweet potato, really?
Yes. And the reason is because it's healthier.
I don't even like sweet potato. I'm starting to get upset. I don't like sweet potato.
Is this what you got for me?
Yes. My
Dessert
dessert choice I think is the best. It is called whiskey chocolate tart. I really think this will win.
Unfortunately, there's only one kind of mochi, strawberry mochi. I calculated my numbers, so instead of 1 dessert, she gets more than 1 dessert.
What's this?
草莓鲜果干 is dried strawberry. It's very nice. Okay, let's go with drink.
Oh, I choose a healthy drink.
I chose a healthy drink for her. 翌日蔬果 drink 100% 紫色蔬果汁.
I think mine is better. I choose 100% orange juice. And look at the ingredients, okay, it says it's 春果汁 and also have the 柳橙果肉, got pulp.
The total cost is 486.
for an argument.
Okay, I'm gonna taste test the 茶叶蛋 that he got as appetizer. Oh, it's cold.
Yeah, it's cold, but it can be eaten cold also.
It's an interesting taste.
Interesting taste.
Very interesting taste. 但是not 茶叶，花雕酒哎。
What will you give my appetizer?
The 花雕酒 egg 2.5 pass.
So sad.
I mean I like eggs, but I wouldn't eat 2 eggs.
It only comes with 2.
Also I eat yours.
Not too bad. This one I give 3.5 star 0.5. I like the presentation of my main. Got 辣椒, got 辣炒, but I think got a lot of fun. Let's try.
有没有味道？
没有. I think the 炒饭 needs the 辣椒 to make it have a lot of 味道. But it's a hearty meal. So I give 4 stars. Actually it's still a bit cold the 茶叶蛋.
For my main, sweet potato is quite nice. When served chilled, it's quite refreshing. And unfortunately, the chicken tastes like rubber.
Really?
Yeah. You want to try? The chicken tastes a bit weird.
Very hard one.
Yeah. Unfortunately, as much as I don't want to give this a poor score, effort because I like vegetables, so he got me a salad. Quality of food is really not there. 2 out of 5.
Aww. I'm gonna try this. It tastes a little bit chemically in a sense. Because of the concentrate, but other than that, it actually tastes quite good. I feel like I'm drinking coffee.
But this one got pop, right? I saw got pop, that's why I buy.
The drink I will give 3.5 stars out of 5. My only grievance is that it's too bitter.
That's not my problem.
Does it feel very healthy?
No, it doesn't taste like juice. It tastes
So?
like flavored water.
How many stars?
Actually, I think if like it's a very hot day and I'm very thirsty, this will make the cut. I'll give it 3.5 out of 5. I'm excited for dessert.
I know, you're always excited for this.
We've come to the exciting part. A mochi. And this... Which one should I eat first?
That one, mochi.
Time for mochi.
Then later I'll use your one. Is it nice?
This is quite legit.
Do I finally get a 5 out of 5?
Yeah, this is a 5 out of 5.
This one definitely 5 out of 5. I shall take mine.
I'm very excited for that.
I let you try also lah. Actually not much whiskey smell. Sure? Nothing, right?
Yeah.
As a person who doesn't generally like to eat dessert,
What, is it very bad?
this has no whiskey in it, even though it's got a whiskey chocolate type. For that, I might have to score this 2 out of 5.
No, no.
If you market it as whiskey, the whiskey taste should come out more.
Probably like family friendly. You see the behind got how many percent?
Oh yeah, it does say 本产品酒精浓度低于法定值0.5% 以下。
Actually, I quite like it. I'll give myself like 4 out of 5.
Own self rate owns.
I think if we do quick math, we know who won. Is this the wild card?
Yeah, it's a one card.
You just want to get a bonus point.
I want to get my bonus point.
Actually, what is this?
Strawberry.
Oh. You like this?
I thought it was nice.
Is it supposed to taste like that?
Yeah. You don't like it?
It looks healthy.
No additives.
For effort and for...
Effort. It's always effort.
For effort.
I'm quitting this game. I don't know how to
For
play.
effort and for spending below the budget to get me a wild card and get more points, I give you 2 more points.
Oh, only 2 more points. So we have come to the end of our challenge. I guess it's safe to say that Jelly won this challenge hands down. We truly enjoyed this challenge and let us know if you'd like to see more of this. in future.
It's a very fun, impromptu experience.
This FamilyMart is pretty small, so the selection is pretty limited.
Personally, I thought that the outlet that we chose is a bit noisy. I didn't really enjoy sitting here eating and also filming at the same time because we just felt very exposed.
A lot of sensory stimuli.
Yeah, correct. But yes, I won.
Good job.
So it means that I understand your taste buds more than you understand mine.
That's not true. I know what you want to eat, but whether you like to eat them is not my concern, right?
So we've come to the end of today's video. If you like today's video,
Please subscribe and hit the bell button for future notifications.
and also give it a like, a thumbs up. We're in a 7-Eleven now and we bought some food. Haichu ice cream and also almond tea and a very expensive looking truffle spaghetti with roast chicken.
And the time to cry, always spill milk. Batteries full charged in. Believe or not, you're the swift wind. So the plan B was set out. Trust yourself when no one else does. Stop holding up a pedal. Claim the place you want. I'm on to spice. Brave it out. It's hard sometimes.
The Regent truffle spaghetti.
Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? Jump off the bed, you're ready to start. No pressure, you're ready.
8 out of 10. So what do you think of the pasta?
Better than the chicken salad we had at FamilyMart, because this is from Regent Hotel
It's legit chicken.
with truffle.
Yeah, it's truffle.
Truffle.